Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the camera app and selecting Pro or Manual mode. This exposes ISO controls that the basic mode hides. Make sure your phone battery is above 20% so adjustments stick and the camera won't shut down. Once in Pro mode, scan the screen edges and quick menus for an ISO label or icon, sometimes inside a three-dot menu. You do this now because changing ISO requires the camera to be in manual exposure mode, not the automated scene modes. You now change the ISO by tapping the ISO icon or entering exposure settings. A slider or numbered list will appear. Drag the slider slowly to test values. Lower ISO like 100-200 reduces noise. Higher ISO like 800-3200 brightens in low light but adds grain. While you adjust, lock shutter speed or exposure compensation if possible, because automatic adjustments can override your ISO. Once you've set a value, take a test shot. Finish by saving your setting or creating a custom shooting profile so you don't repeat the steps later. Many Vivo phones let you store profiles. If images look wrong, revert to auto briefly to confirm the camera is functioning, then return to manual and try slightly different ISO or shutter values. If the ISO control won't change, close the camera app, reboot the phone, and clear the camera app cache. This resolves most stuck control issues. If that fails, update the system or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.